Get yours now. Throw away the fake Lightning port USB drive. Not only can they damage or lose your files, real Lightning port and fake Lightning port. The most direct difference is, the fake Lightning port is yellowish. Then if you want to buy a USB flash drive, you have to buy one with MFI certification. This is an official Apple certified USB flash drive. This way it connects to your phone. This will avoid file damage and loss. Default text, let's connect it to Apple and take a look. It responds immediately after insertion. It has a dedicated independent app to use. You can also back up with one click. Very convenient. Whether it's a video or a photo, it's fine. And also very fast. Then this USB disk is not only can be used on Apple, can also be used on computers and Android. There are also Apple versions above 15.